All right, one of the most requested features on Squarespace is to be able to create a product bundle. Now, they don't have this yet, but I have figured out a workaround, and it seems to be working really well if you have a digital and a print product in particular. Now, it doesn't really work if you have that print product drop shipped, but if you have it in hand, if you've got like workbooks that you've made or a physical product that you've made and you want to send it out, you can, then this works really, really well. Just to give you some backstory so that you can see where I'm at in case you're in a similar spot. So we had a digital book, like an ebook, and we had a print edition of that book that we wanted to be able to mail out to customers as well. Now, Squarespace does have an add-on feature, but it doesn't really work if you want to do a bundle, right? If you want the products together. So what we did was create a digital product with custom forms to collect a shipping address. And when we do that, when somebody goes to buy that bundle, it's structured on the back end as a digital product, so they'll instantly get that ebook, but then it'll also ask for that shipping information, and that will come directly to us, and we can go ahead and mail out that physical workbook. So it's a pretty good workaround for now until Squarespace actually gets it together and puts a bundle together for people to use. In the video that you're about to see, I start by realizing that I actually made a mistake, and that mistake was I created a physical product for that bundle, which is the wrong move. Because if you start with a physical product, then there is no way for the digital download to come through. But if you organize it as a digital product first, that then collects the shipping address, then you can actually have both. So that is where you'll see this video starting. Stay to the very end so that you can see a demo of how it works. And if you found this video helpful, it would mean so much to me if you subscribed. Here you can see there's actually a mistake made where I am using a physical product. I've duplicated a physical product and I'm trying to add on a digital product. Now, if you want to create some kind of sale or bundle, you need to duplicate a digital product and then have an additional form set up so that you can collect shipping information for the physical product. I know it's kind of a lot to see, but we're going to run through it and I can let you know what I'm doing as I go along here. We're going to hop in here. We are going to duplicate, now this is the digital product, and I'm just going to save that. We're going to be pulling the copy from this bundle. You can see here, digital and print bundle. All right. Now we're just going to cancel that since we're just saving it here. This is what I want. All right. I'm going to go ahead and edit this product. Instant access. All right, this looks pretty good. And then here we're just going to change this title, digital and print edition. Now I'm going to save this. And this is the one. So let's go ahead and disable some of the other ones we've created here. You can see this says physical product. And when you have a physical product, you can't really do that digital product email that's necessary. So what we're going to do is just make this not public. For the time being, we're going to change the visibility to hidden. I've got that on the back end. Again, you can see it's physical product, so you know we're working with the right one. Here, if I go to edit, you see it says a downloadable, which it is, but we need additional information. So let's see, first we're going to change up our pricing. We've got the same file there, so that's working well. But we do need to have additional form. So you can see this custom form. This is what we need. All right, so we're going to create a new form here. Shipping address. And we're going to get the name. And we're going to get the address. We're also going to get a phone number, just in case. All right, this looks good. Phone number, we won't have it required, but we definitely need the address required and the name for the shipping address. Here we go. We're going to apply this. So this is, again, just applied to that bundle. So this is perfect if you're trying to bundle a physical and digital product together. We're going to go ahead and publish this. Actually, there's a couple other edits we need to make here on the images. So we're going to select from our library. And this is the perfect image to show both a digital and physical version. And what we did as well is we got a picture of the table of contents, and then we have a picture of the inside of the book as well. Now we can save this. All right, now there's some things I just want to change up in the copy here. You could see instant access. Now let's go ahead and go to the shop. Save that. And then we do want to put the word bundle in here. And all of this is really just like a process of refining. It's digital and hardcover bundle. Okay, I think this looks pretty good. We got the hardcover here, the hardcover only, and the instant access ebook. This is looking super, super sharp. Now let's go ahead and test this out. So if I click on here, you see it's taking us over to the bundle. All right, I'm going to hit purchase, and then you can see the shipping address pops up. We are going to use this for the actual purchase. Awesome, this is looking really good. Okay, I think we have done this. So give this a chance. Again, when you're using additional forms, you can be super creative and able to make this bundle happen. So give it a shot and let me know what you think.